Okay, so we are at OR Tambo International Airport and we're waiting for the Malians to arrive. So they're about to walk out that gate over there. We're so excited. They're coming to M2 Journey Arts for 2 weeks and nobody else would have made it happen except you special friends of M2 Journey Arts. So this is the group from Mali. And we're so excited to have them. M2 Journey Arts, thank you so much for all the supporters who sent funding, supporting us. This almost didn't happen, but because of you, we made it happen. Africans for Africa.